Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today I'm taking a look at this all new Ultraloq Smart Lever Lock. So this is all new released. I've done it in the past before, the U-Bolt Pro from this company, and I still have it on my door. Works great. So I'm really looking forward to taking a look what this can do. So inside the box we do have the manual, the diagram in there, and then on this other small little bag here we do have the keys, the screwdriver, some screws, all the things you're gonna need, and the lock itself here. It does come with a Wi-Fi dongle, so no need to buy that extra, which is awesome. So pretty much you're able to control it from anywhere. Included we also get the batteries, which is nice. And taking a look at the actual lock itself, feels a little heavy, but it's nicely built. It looks nice. The other cool thing which I noticed, it does have the lever here, which you're able to place it left or right. It doesn't really matter. So it's actually great because if you have a door which is like on this side, like the wall is on this side, you can't really do this. So you have to do it this way. So it works great for that instance. So you're able pretty much to use it on either side you want, which is awesome. The fingerprint reader is up here and the numbers are in here. So when we install this, we're gonna see how that looks like. And taking a look at the second one, so this goes on the inside, so the battery compartment is in here. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and install this and see how that looks like. So everything is put in here. It roughly took me like 5-10, like less than 10 minutes for sure. Way quicker than other locks that I've done before. So everything is in here. So right now all I need to do is just get the app on my phone and add this, and it should be ready to go. So we can see the lever has been added here. So let's go ahead and open it. And it's connecting. So right now it's using Bluetooth. I haven't set up the Wi-Fi yet, so pretty much I will be connecting this after. So right now the door is locked. So pretty much if I want to get in from the outside, it's not moving this. Let's say I want to go ahead and open the door. And as you see, it works. But there's one thing you kind of need to do right away. If you go to the settings here, and if you go under auto lock, it's set for 3 seconds. So if I go ahead and unlock it, it locks right after 3 seconds. So that's not so good. I'm gonna go ahead and set that to 3 seconds. That's usually when I want to lock it, automatically lock it. So let's go back now. And let's go ahead and click unlock. So right now you can see it's open, which is good. So on both sides, it's working. And the other cool thing which I definitely wanted to show off is like this part. Not many of these locks have this feature, which it can work on both sides, but this is awesome because it will work pretty much for any door, which is perfect. So after 3 seconds, let's just wait a bit here. It should be able to lock me out from coming in. So as you see now, nothing moves. So it doesn't matter which side, so the door is now locked. And you're also able to unlock and lock it from the inside as well if you press the button here. So right now let's go ahead and test out the touchpad and the fingerprint, how well that works. So right now let's just go ahead and click add a user. Normal user, I'm just gonna go admin here and add the name. Click next. Start adding fingerprint. And we get a nice light in there, as you can see. So let's just go ahead and add the fingerprint. And it tells you exactly there as you see it. Oh, and the numbers show up here as you press it. So everything is in the green. And let's go ahead. We can also add a code. So let's just go 1, 2, 3, 4 here and add code. So right now I've gone ahead and added the fingerprint and the passcode. So I should be able to get in. So let's just test out. So right now nothing is opening. So let's just go ahead and enter the code here. So if you touch the screen here, the numbers look very nice. Nice backlit here. So let's go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to enter. And now we're in the green. So we just open the lock here for 30 seconds. So that's perfect. So now let's just wait until it locks back up, and we're just gonna try the fingerprint if it recognizes it right away. So right now the door is locked again because I set the timer 30 seconds there. And let's just go ahead and see the fingerprint here. Perfect. It recognizes right away, and we get the nice green light up there and a nice little sound too. This works perfectly. I'm actually loving this. Definitely this is gonna be my new door lock. I'm removing the old one. And the other thing is, let's say you ran out of batteries or for some reason the door is not opening. You do have a key here. It comes with 2 keys. You just remove the bottom here and you're able to insert the key and open up the door. And also we do have a micro USB down here as well. If you're running out of batteries, you can just put a micro USB power bank in there and go ahead and unlock the door that way as well. So my overall thoughts on this, would I buy this? Definitely. Is there anything I don't like about it? The framing on the outside here and the handles kind of are like fingerprint magnets here. You can see it kind of like gets a little bit dirty. Even the front here, the piano finish, you will kind of see fingerprints. You're gonna have to wipe this once in a while for sure. That's the only downside. Everything else is very solid built. I love the quality of this. Everything feels nice. It doesn't feel like cheap plastic or any of those things. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn the notifications on. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. And also, if you have any questions about this lock or any video you want to see in the future, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer it. And I'll see you guys on the next one.